I get angry so fast. I don't know why I get so much of anger. Are you a kind of person who gets angry even in very small things? Then this video is for you. Welcome to Actspire, act to inspire and inspire to act even more. Me along with my partner Vaishali, we post videos on Tuesdays and Saturday on inspiration, life skills, and much more than that, we post videos with actionable tips. So in the previous video, you can watch Vaishali talking about how to get rid of or minimize the use of gadgets by kids, and today we talk about a basic emotion, anger. Stay tuned to this channel to watch more actionable tips in coming Tuesdays and Saturdays. What happens when we are in anger? Anger is a feeling state, and in this feeling state we have a limited rationality. The front portion of the brain which is more into emotional, the decisions what we take when we are in this feeling state gets more emotional than being intellectual. So one thing which has to be noted here is, it is not that you are angry at someone, at a friend, or angry at a spouse, angry at a person. It doesn't matter whether you are angry at someone. What matters truly is the anger is in you. It doesn't matter whether you are angry with your friend or your relative, whoever it is, they are not affected. The anger, it's the anger at, that at doesn't have any meaning. The anger is in you. So it is just affecting you. That's the first insight one should get about being angry. The second thing is, when you are getting angry, there is something which in life you don't like or you need a change. And at this point of anger, if you start processing it instead of reacting to the anger, you'll start realizing what exactly is the change you want or you wish to have in life. I am reminded of a book, A Cow in the Parking Lot, where a person is basically looking for a parking, and then he is in a long queue. He loses time in waiting, and finally when he finds a parking, another person from the opposite direction comes in and parks at the same place. Now the person who was waiting for the parking gets angry. So initially he thinks, or if we are in the place, we think that we get angry because of we lost time, and when we were about to get the parking, another person has come and parked at the same lot, and we get angry at that particular person who has crossed the queue. But then in the same situation, instead of a car at the parking place, if suppose there is a cow lying there, how would you react to the same situation? When you find that there is a cow at the parking place, your emotions change. So it is, the situations here are also the same. You have lost time, you have waited a lot, and then you got the parking. But then now the emotions have changed. So whenever you are getting angry, the first and foremost thing is to find the real reason why you are getting triggered. You may think that it is because of this reason, that reason, but then it may not be. There is something inside you which triggers you, and anger is the best emotion to find out what exactly you are looking for in life. Next time when you're getting angry, transform it into an insight. And anger can be your messenger which helps you to find out your inner calling. Let it be your messenger, a motivator. So anger is not your enemy, it's your friend. But don't react to it, respond to it in a proper way. Anger becomes your enemy when you don't process it in your mind and you start reacting to people and it affects others. So next time, don't when this friend anger comes in, don't react, but try to process it inside and find out what is the immediate change that you are longing in your life. With more insights and tips, we'll come again on Tuesday with Thoughtful Tuesday with more motivational tips and information. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel Aspire.